Hi everyone, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Fungal diseases can appear in your lawn when the environment is right, usually damp, humid conditions. They can also appear from overwatering, a compacted subbase, incorrect mowing practices, or incompatible turf varieties in your area. Fungicides can be used to stop these diseases from growing or spreading in your lawn. In this video, we're going to learn a bit more about them. Fungicides should only be considered when the disease has spread considerably and all other options have been unsuccessful. Fungal diseases can be avoided with correct irrigation management, regular mowing, shade management, and dethatching and aeration. If the disease doesn't clear up after this and the weather is good, a fungicide application may be required. Let's take a look at some products. Heritage MAXX is a liquid, broad-spectrum fungicide for the control and prevention of turf diseases including Pythium, anthracnose, brown patch and spring dead spot. This fungicide provides consistent protection for new growth up to 28 days after application, making it the perfect product as part of a preventative plan. Begin applications before symptoms occur when conditions favour disease, and continue applications as conditions remain favourable for disease development. MANCOZEB is a dry, flowable preventative fungicide formulation for the control of certain fungal diseases, including Fusarium, Rhizoctonia, and grey leaf spot. Apply as a protective spray schedule at 7-day intervals throughout the susceptible season or climate. Tombstone fungicide is a broad-spectrum fungicide. Tombstone can be used on lawns, azaleas, roses, and other general ornamental garden plants. Tombstone provides systemic and contact disease control both on a preventative and curative basis, controlling diseases like winter fusarium, brown patch and dollar spot in lawn situations. Before applying products like these fungicides, make sure you follow all label instructions and wear the appropriate protective clothing. So please read the label in full before you open the product for application. If you think you have a disease issue in your lawn, you can get in touch with us here at Lawn Solutions or through your local Lawn Solutions member. We can help to diagnose disease and suggest proper treatments to help you get on top of it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we hope to catch you next time.